Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Poland. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, Poland is part of Schengen region. Okay. And like other Schengen countries, in order to travel, you need to have a Schengen visa. Okay. And they do offer C-type Schengen visa like other countries. So if you are in India, this process of visa application for type C has been outsourced to VFS. Okay. So I have opened VFS website too. I'm going to show you. Okay. So here, first identify the visa type, then begin your application, book an appointment, pay your fee, and with it the visa application, submit and go for biometrics, and then if all went well, you are good to go after you get your visa. When you identify the visa type, I go for like tourist visa, Schengen visa, tourist visa. So visa fee is going to be 90 euros, and plus there'll be service charges of VFS. Okay. Some of those are like not optional charges, so it's up to you if you want to use them. Document checklist is really important. Okay, and this you need to provide along name, passport number, contact, email, passport, visa application form, one color photo, checklist, this checklist, cover letter, proof of transport and itinerary, medical insurance, 30,000 euro. This is very common across all Schengen countries. Documents confirming purpose of trip. So appropriate booking and all whatever you have done, you can go for tourism. If you're visiting family friend, then letters. For minors, some other documents. For students, certificate of establishment for which the applicant is enrolled. Okay. Accommodation, proof of accommodation, hotel reservation and all. Proof of financial mean. So bank statement, last 3 months, stamped and signed. Indian income tax acknowledged for last 2 assessment years. So guys, based on your location, your document checklist can vary. Because you'll be applying from India, so that's why they have asked for Indian income tax return. If you're employed, payslip of past 3 months employment contract and approval for holidays. If you are self-employed, then there are other requirements. If you are being sponsored, then proof of sponsorship. If you are retired, then pension statement. Basically, they want to establish who you are and do you have sufficient funds to support yourself. Additional documents, if you really want to. You have to provide copies of passport, biodata page, last page of passport, entry exit stamp, date, place. Okay. Name and signature of inquiry officer. So this is not for you. Applicant signature. Additional comments is for inquiry officer. So don't worry about that. Photo specifications are given, and which is pretty common across all Schengen application. Processing time 15 calendar days, but could go to 45 days. And if they really want to, uh, they can ask for additional documents, even interview too, if they wish to. All right, now let's go to the application form. That is the main part. So there are two ways you can download and fill. So if I open this, it's pretty simple. Surname at birth, photo, first name, given name, date of birth, place of birth, country of birth, nationality, other nationality, gender, status, parental authority. This is for minor. National ID number. So when I had applied for my visa, in terms of national identity, I did use PAN card and it was happily accepted. But in India, there are like now Aadhaar number too, and I had explained that and it was accepted. Type of travel document, and it varies based on like your nationality. Okay. Type of travel documents. So for most of us, it will be ordinary passport, passport number, date of issue, validation date, issued by country. If you have family member who is European Union, European Economic Area, or Switzerland citizen or UK national. Okay. Family member, applicant home address and email address, phone number, your phone number, residence in a country other than the country of current nationality. So if you are an Indian national in India, don't worry about that. Click no. But let's say if you are a Jamaican national living in India and want to apply from here, so then you can click yes and provide your residence permit number and validity. Current occupation. Employer and employer address for student, your educational institution details. Purpose of the journey, if you're going for tourism, select tourism. We'll go to the online form also. Additional information that you want to say. Member state of main destination. Okay. Member state of first entry, number of entry requested. Biometrics. Okay. If they have been collected before, then provide the details. Otherwise, you will be asked to provide your biometrics. Entry permit of final destination where applicable. Okay. Surname and name of the inviting person in the member set. If not, name of the hotel. So if you have already booked your hotel reservation, definitely you have this info. Address, email, phone number. Okay. Cost. Who's gonna pay and what are the means you can pay. Okay. If someone else is filling this form, then they have to provide the details. Otherwise, it's okay. And then at the end, paste it, signature. So in this way, this can be filled up. So this is like an easy way that you can do. But yeah, there's an online way too. Okay. So if I click on this. So if you have not registered for this, first you need to register or sign up. Email address, nationality, and mobile number, and then you click on send OTP. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Sign up. It comes to this page where you have to put your, I'm putting all sample. You do it as per your own case. Date of birth, 39, okay. Nationality, passport number, expiry date, save and continue. Passport details. Okay, some details are automatically pulled up based on previous page. Surname at birth, country of birth, place of birth. Check your passport for this. It should match anything you enter here. It has to match with your passport. Nationality, others, marital status. Okay. Type of passport. Most will have ordinary. Re-enter passport number. Can I copy paste? Absolutely not. Date of issue. Issued by application. Home address country. So basically same that PDF form also you can fill up, but yeah, I'm just trying to generate the form. Application place, parent occupation, email address, what proper email address, don't do like this. Phone number, postal code. Is a residence in a country other than the current nationality? I select no. Name of employer, I'll just say employer address. Phone number, of course you know that. City, postal code, establishment country. Why they ask it again and again? Fingerprint corrected previously, I select no. Travel details, purpose of travel, I'll select tourism. Additional information, provide all your plan, anything that you really want to that makes your case stronger. Date of arrival, intended. Date of departure, member, state of destination, let's say Poland. First entry, Poland. So this is main member state of destination. Number of entries, I select one. Did you have any Schengen visa issued past 3 years? I select no. Destination countries. Oh, Poland. For main destination they have given here. Is adequate medical insurance? I select yes. Remember 30,000 euros. Inviting party, no invitation. Or you can say hotel temporary accommodation, I'll just say. But if you do that, they will ask for surname. So if I say for no. Okay, but yeah, hotel details we can say. Address of the hotel, postal code, city, fee of hotel, telephone number, fax number. Wow. During your entry permit of final destination, I select no. Name of the person filling the form instead of applicant. Name of person, address, fax, email, who is by whom, applicant, who is going to pay, support, get card, required accommodation, whatever is applicable in your case. Family member who is a EU citizen, I select no. You can review your application if you want to. Definitely check all the details and then go to the last page and submit it. And then it's going to generate the file. Just submitting here doesn't mean your thing is generated. But yeah, you need to go for the next steps as we had shown you before. Like you need to book an appointment where you go pay the fee and all other things, biometrics. And then if everything is done and granted, then you are good to go. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.